Hello, we will check this type of error, check injection and check anti-pollution system. We have here two problems, and now we will try to find where is the problem. For this we will use this instrument and this is car scanner type 519, and where is connected, we can see it is connected here downside on the driver side. So now we will try to check which error is. So let's see. Okay, read. Okay, now we'll see this. Okay, and here is the error. It is error 101, and what it say? It say mass or volume air flow and this means that it is sensor for airflow, and we must clean it or replace it. We have this sensor here. Here is air filter, and here is the sensor. We must put out these two guys, 1, 2, and then here is one connector. Here is must go out, this connector, and then we will put out this sensor. It was here inside, and then we will use this airflow sensor cleaner. The producer is Liqui Moly. So here is the sensor, and we must just clean it like this, and also here. Now we will let that will be dry, and then we will put into the car again, and then we will solve this problem.